Welcome to this guided meditation session. Before we begin, make sure that you are in a relatively quiet space and turn off any devices that might be distracting. Now please find a comfortable sitting position, either on a chair or on the floor. You can use a cushion if you need. Sit in a way that allows you to be at ease and free of pain for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Now that you are sitting comfortably, gently close your eyes and soften your shoulders. Open your chest a little bit and take a few nice and deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. If you notice some tension in any particular part of the body, use your exhalation to release as much of it as you can. Breathe in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and breathe out, letting go of any mental or physical tension. Let's take a moment to practice in this way, using our exhalation to release any mental and physical tensions. As you settle down, bring your mind a difficult situation. It may be something coming up that is bringing fear or anxiety, or something you went through in the recent past. Recognize any fear or aversion that comes up as you bring this event to your mind. Notice it and let it go. Don't get involved in those feelings, but simply allow them to be there. Maybe you need to have a difficult conversation with a loved one, or have an upcoming appointment that is bringing some anxiety. Rather than playing out the story in your head as usual, try asking yourself what the strongest version of you would do. How would your best self handle this situation? Visualize your strong self handling the situation with complete kindness, care, mindfulness, patience, and wisdom. And as you visualize this situation in your mind, make a special effort to notice the strength within you. How does that feel? Let's stay there for a few moments, evoking those feelings of competence, strength, and confidence. Allow yourself to feel strong and confident. If you begin to doubt yourself, come back to those feelings of confidence and reconnect with your intention to act from a place of wisdom and compassion in the face of difficulties. You can continue visualizing that one experience, playing it through multiple times. Or you can also try working with a different situation or event, always connecting with that strength you have within you. Remember to breathe deeply and watch for any anxiety and worry. When you finish this practice, you may try writing about your experience. Writing after this experience gives you a clearer look at yourself and can help clarify how you are able to handle difficult experiences. And now, when you feel ready, take a few deep breaths and become aware of your surroundings, stretching your body if you feel like. And whenever it feels appropriate, gently open your eyes.